how to remove or disable administrator account in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to remove or disable the administrator account in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the Windows, right click on your Windows and then go with Windows PowerShell admin. Now here you just need to simply enter some commands. So the command is net space user space administrator space / active no. And after that, hit the enter. Once you've done that, or once the command is completed, then you can simply go with the Windows, right click on it, go with shutdown or sign out, and then you can simply go with shutdown or restart. And once you've done that, now your problem will be fixed. And after that, you just need to simply right click on your Windows and then go with shutdown or sign out, and then go with sign out option. And once you go with sign out, then your built-in administrator account will be removed or disabled. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.